Whoa, hospital. What was that, a hospital or something?
I don't know.
Hey!
What the fuck?
Did you just... You just did that.
Bro, what the
So, yeah, I told y'all. So I made it mine. Yeah, I told y'all.
Alright, it is the next day, and I'm back up at the skate park. Zion's here too. And I'm finna get that big spin. I did not land it yesterday. I got so close, so many tries, but I skated till dark, and it got too dark, and I was so exhausted. I don't know how I didn't land it. Like, I stuck a couple, but I never, like, rolled away. Bro, it was raining yesterday, so you can see my setup is, like, coated in dried out dirty water, dirt, just covered in nasty grease. All right, so I've been trying a couple times. Started raining, so hopefully I don't get rained out.
Few moments later.
Yo, it's starting to for real come down now. Every time I roll up and go for the big spin, I just slip every time. I'm gonna keep trying, but this rain's messing me up big time. Hey, it actually looks sick.
That shit felt like a roller coaster.
Ah, you gotta get that. Oh, stay on it. Easier said than done. Your foot came off.
Get a little water on there.
Get a little lube on there. Bro, a double? Will that be a 480?
I don't know.
Slow flip would go crazy.
It's gonna be the only dog that lands. Damn, that was it.
Let's see. Oh! I still can't get over that 360 power slide.
Yeah.
That was clean. Oh my God. Ooh. For the people right there. Did I get that? I knew that was gonna happen. Oh God. You good?
Should I launch off that bitch? Or you think I'll die?
On that? You got it. Ollie?
Bro, if I die, it's on you.
Don't tell me that. Shoot, you got it. Over the crowd? Yeah, he got that.
You can shove it. I feel like if I try to shove that bitch slipping out quick.
Was it scary?
Nah, it ain't
Good. Sure, you got it.
I might, if I bust my ass, it's gonna be hilarious.
You got that. Let's get it. Oh!
It's there.
You got some distance. It's raining. Oh my God. Anything else? Go for it if you're feeling it. No?
You know what's gonna happen.
Give it one. Give it one. But be careful. Oh!
One more.
You got it. Oh. Trey.
Let's go.
Hey, boo. Whoa, hospital. What was that, a hospital or something?
I don't know. Damn near felt like.
Hey!
What the fuck?
Did you just... You just did that.
Bro, what the fuck? That was insane.
What
Did you get that?
Oh, yeah.
Let me see.
Bro.
It's gone now.
Oh, it's really real. Oh! Hey, you got... You got those.
Few moments later.
All right, me and Zion just got done skating for a minute. I got a pretty cool line, fakie big spin to regular big spin. Shout out Zion for filming me. We jamming.
The next day.
Clean little fit. I like this design a lot. Yeah, I'm gonna go to the skate park now. Made it back to the skate park. There's a little like market trade thing they do over here on the weekends over there at those tables. Oh my god, that kid. But yeah, there's some kids skating over here because they just walk from over there. There's Evan. All right, so I've been skating flat ground for a minute. There's still a little bit of water here, but later on I'm gonna try to get that big spin. But we're finna go eat some sushi. God, I just struggled with parking so bad. I was trying to parallel park right there, but I couldn't do it in time because of the traffic. That's where we eat. Sushi cam. This is in slow motion, by the way. Just finished up eating. Now I'm gonna open up these fortune cookies. Let's see what my fortunes are. Already opened them. You'll be receiving some good written news. Better get a text from Brian Arnett in any. Oh my god. You will soon be the center of attention. That is a crazy fortune. That is a my fingernail dirty, my bad. All right, so fortune review. I'd give this one about a 8.5 out of 10. And I give this one a 10. Evan's not coming back up to the skate park. But I don't know. I think I might go to Goodwill and get gas and then come back and then skate by myself. All right, made it to Goodwill, so we're gonna go in there, see if we can find some drip. This is probably the realest shirt I've ever seen. These pants are like made out of some crazy material. They're FUBU. This is that Curious George drip for real. Boom, we back. I didn't really find much. I only got 2 things. First, I got this shirt. It's just a Naruto shirt for my girlfriend. And then I got these jeans. I'm glad I went just because I found these, honestly. I don't know. They're just some old brand. But now I'm gonna just hang around until I go back to the skate park, so.
Few moments later.
All right, so I've just been kind of waiting here, and Eben actually pulled up, but he doesn't know I'm here, so I'm gonna try to go in and like scare him or something. He still doesn't see me yet. What are you doing?
I don't know if you're still here.
All right, mission successful. I figured he was gonna see me from a distance, but I actually snuck up and got him. He didn't even see me until I grabbed his shoulder. But now actually I'm gonna go to my girlfriend's, so yeah.
A few inches later.
Okay, I'm leaving my girlfriend's now.
The next day.
All right, I'm back at the skate park. I'm gonna try to land that big spin off the box today.
Hold up. Straight bolt.
First try. Get a little stretch in. That too. Fakie inward. Ooh! Hey, you almost had that first try. Ooh! New dick.
Got a pussy.
Not that one. Let's go.
Yeah, boy.
Let's go. Alright, so I finally got the big spin off the box, and then we just skated till dark and Zion got the fakie inward heel. But this is the end of the video, so like, comment, and subscribe. Go watch my last video. Also, the day that this video is coming out is my girlfriend's birthday.
Happy birthday.
Bye-bye.
Yeah, I